3 years of famine devastated Israel during King David's reign. Why? David prayed, and God revealed the cause. Saul had broken an ancient oath and unjustly slaughtered the Gibeonites. David knew justice was needed to lift the curse over Israel. He asked the Gibeonites, "How can we make things right?" Their request, 7 male descendants of Saul to be given to them. Though hard, David agreed to restore justice. After they were handed over, Rizpah, a mother among them, mourned fiercely, guarding the bodies from birds and beasts. David, moved by her devotion, gathered the bones of Saul, Jonathan, and the slain, and buried them with honor. With justice restored, God finally ended the famine. David's story teaches that God loves justice. Justice must be upheld for true peace.